Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, Honorable Minister Saab had given a reply to the questions raised by us, sir. Sir, for the question B, whether it is a fact that the lack of coordination among departments entrusted to the said task has been causing an inordinate delay in the execution of the work, was the question. For that, the Honorable Minister has given a reply saying, no, sir. Sir, I would like to bring to your kind notice, sir, and if I am wrong, I may be corrected. Sir, this Charminar pedestrianization project was started in 1993, sir. And after 1993, sir, in the year 2000, it was handed over to the government department. Again in 2001, it was handed over to the tourism department. First, it was initiated by the Khuli Qutub Shah Urban Development Authority, sir. And it is yet to be completed, sir. So I would say that the reply given by the Honorable Minister is not right. The delay has been happening because the project has started from 1993, sir. Sir, secondly, sir, about one more correction I would like to make. Honorable Minister Saab, when he rose to give the reply, he said about 17.55 crores. I'm sorry, sir, it is not crores, it is 17,1755.00 lakhs. And sir, thirdly, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable Minister Saab is that crores of rupees have already been spent on this project. Thousands of tourists are coming to Hyderabad to see Charminar. And it is so unfortunate, sir, we do not have one toilet also there for the tourists coming in that area. Thousands of tourists are coming, sir. And sir, secondly, sir, I would also like to ask and bring to the kind notice of Honorable Minister Saab is that, sir, right from Pattargatti till Charminar, sir, under this project, cleaning has been taken over for the arches. Sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, how much of money has been spent for the cleaning of the Pattargatti arches and reviving the old heritage of Pattargatti, sir. Sir, second question, sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, sir, how much of money has been spent for the name boards of the shops, sir. Sir, in this pedestrianization project, there is a specific instructions which has been given to all the shopkeepers to have their boards in a particular size. Now what has happened, sir, we have spent crores of rupees and every shop has erected their name boards covering the arches. Don't we have the authority to monitor this, sir? Thirdly, sir, finally, the most important thing which I want to bring to the kind notice of Honorable Minister Saab is that, sir, that is the economic zone of Old City, sir. We want the pedestrianization project. We want it to look very good. I remember and recall Honorable Chief Minister Saab, in a meeting when I had with him, he had a very good vision for the improvement of Pattargatti. He said, Akbar Saab will make this Pattargatti, this stretch, like an Istanbul, like Turkey, how they have. Sir, but let us not forget it's an economic zone. For that, sir, I would like to request the Honorable Minister Saab, that we need to carry a survey as to how many hawkers and how many dabbawalas are sitting there and having their livelihoods. Sir, we need to accommodate them elsewhere. Sir, I request and I request to the government, like how we have a bridge at Nayapul, we can have one more bridge opposite Salarjung Museum where some of them could be rehabilitated there. So their livelihoods are not disturbed. Thirdly, sir, under this project, we are supposed to have a parking lot, sir. Sir, it has been 15 years, we have been demanding and requesting. I would like to know from Honorable Minister Saab, when is the work for this parking lot going to start? Kab agaz hoga ye kaam ka? Aaj tak parking lot ka nahi hua, sir. Sir, tourists are coming, there is no place for them to park. और pedestrianization जब हो जाएगा, तो पूरों के livelihood चले जाएंगे. We don't want any shop owner to lose It's business and livelihood. We need to, see that कि उनका कारोबार मुतासर ना हो. छोटे बैटरी के buses या कुछ लेके आना है. Sir, if we are not going to wake up, sir, we are going to lose this historical monument, sir. Because of pollution, because of car pollution and everything, the monument is getting weak. ऐसा ना हो कि चार मीनार गिर जाए एक दिन. तो इसके लिए मैं चाहता हूं, lastly sir, through you I request the honorable minister साहब is that sir, बहुत से इश्यूज है, रोजगार का है वहां पे, पार्किंग का है वहां पे, जो दुकान वाले हैं उनका है. मैं मिनिस्टर साहब से कहूंगा कि हमारे साथ भी मीटिंग करिए और वहां के जो दुकान वाले हैं, बिजनेस वाले हैं, उनको भी बुलाकर मीटिंग करिए, ट्रैफिक के लोगों को करिए. सर, आउटर रिंग रोड्स जो लाना है, इन दिस रिप्लाई मिनिस्टर साहब बोले हैं कि लाड बाजार के दुकान वाले यहां पर रोड डालने नहीं दे रहे. सर, दिस इज रॉन्ग सर. सर, दे आर नॉट सर. सर, लाड बाजार के पास से एक रोड निकालना था, 2 रोड्स निकालनी थी, वो रोड नहीं निकाले सर. दे हैवंट कंप्लीटेड द रोड्स ऑफ लाड बाजार. दैट इज व्हाई द शॉप ओनर्स ऑफ लाड बाजार आर ऑब्जेक्टिंग. I humbly submit and I request the honorable minister sahab to please call for a meeting of MLAs. We'll be there. And second phase, you can also call a meeting of the shop owners of Pathargatti, and then you can have a meeting so that we take everybody into confidence, see that this project is implemented at the earliest and it should be a successful project, sir.
Minister.
Speaker, sir. Well, I fully understand and appreciate the concern of the honorable members, sir. I would definitely put it on record, sir. I would definitely admit that there has been a delay in the project. There has been definitely a delay. And part of it could also be because of the lack of coordination also, sir. That is also possible. While I did say in my reply that there was no lack of coordination, it is certainly a possibility. I will not deny that, sir. At the same time, sir, I would also like to point out to honorable members, sir, the Gulzar House issue that was mentioned by Honorable MLA Pasha Khadri, out of which 50% of the work has been done, sir. The rest 50%, in fact, there was a court order which had said that आप पहले 50% आप खत्म करो, बाकी का 50% आप फिर से शुरू करो. तो इस वास्ते वो बाकी का 50% जो है अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुआ. जल्द से जल्द वो शुरू कर देंगे खादरी साहब. और we are committed to this project and we are committed to ensuring that this project, this very, very important project, especially because चार मीनार जो है सर हैदराबाद की शान है, तो ज़रूर उसको महफूज रखना हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है. तो we are committed to ensuring that this happens soon, sir. At the same time, there was also questions regarding Lad Bazaar, sir. Sir, in Lad Bazaar, yes, the honorable members were right, sir. We are supposed to create 2 more loop roads. And if the honorable MLAs and the public representatives, the honorable corporators cooperate, sir, as Janab Akbar Owaisi has asked, sir, not only will I hold a meeting, sir, but I'll actually personally visit the place if the members are willing. Then we'll go together. Let us go together. Let us inspect it together. और वहाँ के जितने भी लोग हैं उनका भी मदद के साथ उनको भी आप कॉन्फिडेंस में लेते हुए प्रोजेक्ट जल्द से जल्द आपने जैसे कहा इसको कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करेंगे सर. सर, दिस प्रोजेक्ट एक्चुअली एज अकबर साहब had said, 93 maybe the concept was thought of, but in reality, sir, in 2007 with JNN URM funds this project was kick-started, sir. And then Janab Akbar Owaisi sahab also asked about toilets that need to be constructed, sir. He is absolutely right. I will, like I said, I will personally pay a visit. And if there aren't any toilets, then we can certainly immediately deploy some ready-made toilets into the location, sir. That should not be a problem. And as soon as we visit, we'll ensure that this is taken care, sir. Also regarding the arches in Pathargatti and also the name boards of shops, sir, regarding cleaning of these arches, we are spending about 50 lakhs of rupees, sir. And also regarding shops, name boards, we are almost spending about 20 lakhs of rupees. Now, obviously, the cooperation of all the shopkeepers, it has been spent. So let's actually go personally visit. सब हम लोग खुद जाके देखेंगे और उनका भी cooperation पूरी तरह से सीख करेंगे, sir. It's important to all of us for Hyderabad. So we'll definitely ensure that this goes in a smoother way, sir. Sir, yes, he's absolutely right. In fact, even when I reviewed with our officers, मैंने भी उनसे यही पूछा कि लोग कहाँ पार्किंग करेंगे, क्योंकि इनर रिंग रोड बना दिए, आउटर रिंग रोड 90% हो गया, पर लोग पार्किंग कहाँ करेंगे और कैसे वो 4 कमान जो भी 4 रोड है, लाड बाजार और शालीबंडा रोड और हमारे 4 कमान रोड पे कहाँ लोग कैसे घूमेंगे और कहाँ पार्क करेंगे. सर, जीएचएमसी एक नई तरह से सोच रही है. फिलहाल हम लोग प्राइवेट लोगों को भी हम लोग एक मौका दे रहे हैं, सर, जिसके तहत हम ये कह रहे हैं कि आपको ट्रांसफरेबल डेवलपमेंट राइट्स देंगे. अगर कोई प्राइवेट आदमी, अगर प्राइवेट बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज कोई शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाना चाहती है और उसमें से चंद जगह अगर पार्किंग स्पेस जीएचएमसी को भी देंगे तो उनको ट्रांसफरेबल डेवलपमेंट राइट्स टीडीआर एडिशनल एफएसआई देने की भी हम लोग सोच रहे हैं. और दूसरी बात सर, वी आर ऑल्सो एक्सप्लोरिंग अदर लोकेशंस विद इन द एरिया. In fact, on outer ring road, in that area, there is a 2-acre lot which needs to be handed over. In fact, there was an agreement that was entered. We will ensure that that is also honored. We'll ensure that MLP also starts, and we'll announce the details. In fact, we'll call the contractor who's actually entered into an agreement with the GHMC on the day we visit, so that we can actually talk to that gentleman and close that issue also, sir. Sir, also, with respect to hawkers and street vendors, sir, it's a genuine concern. It is an economic zone. We have to take care of these people before we actually ask them to move out or move away. Unless that happens, we will not get full cooperation, sir. Sir, as you are all also aware, the state government has already passed a Street Vendors Act also in the previous session. So we are more than happy to sit with the hawkers, more than happy to create more hawker zones. Like in the case of Sultan Bazaar, we have actually discussed with them and we are creating a wonderful hawker zone. So we have no problems in creating more hawker zones, sir. We'll be more than happy to do that also, sir. So last point that was mentioned also, sir, is to ensure that pollution does not affect the historical monument of Charminar. Sir, we are thinking in the same line, sir, we are thinking of battery operated vehicles, both smaller vehicles such as golf carts, etc., and also battery operated mini buses, sir. We are actively considering it. And the overall time frame to complete this project, sir, with your active cooperation, with the active cooperation of the shops and trades and establishments there, we hope to complete this project and open it to public in less than 4 to 5 months, sir. We are committed to this, provided we get absolute cooperation from all quarters, sir. We'll complete the project and hand it over in 4 to 5 months is our commitment, sir. Thank you so much.
క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు విజిట్ అక్బరుద్దీన్
Sir,
గారు
through you, no, no, sir, only
విజిట్
one-
చేసి అందరి కోఆపరేషన్ తో అనుకున్న
Sir,
ప్రోగ్రామ్
I'm
చేద్దాం
just
ఉన్నారు కదా.
requesting what, sir, is that कि honorable minister साहब can call for a meeting. ये असेंबली में ही साहब यहीं पे कहीं एक दिन 4-8 दिन में अगर बुला लिए, हम सब रहते हैं यहाँ पे, एक आधा एक घंटा अगर आप दे दिए तो इस पे काफी डिस्कशन होके काम आगे चले जा सकता.
Sir, we are open to the suggestion. We'll do it. We'll do it within the week. Assembly में ही within the week कर लेंगे. Thank you.